Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
BullyOuNow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff out of the Royal Mint, and that's probably as far as I can go on this because we don't actually know what's in here.
We don't. We have a failed box. I'm going to oust just right at the start, sitting on top, Michael, because we really don't know what's in this one, and
so this is take 3 because I completely blew the first one.
Yeah. So, but yeah, we know it's from the Royal Mint. That's what is contained in these boxes. But beyond that, we're a little unsure. We ordered it last year, and so we've kind of entered the new year and forgotten kind of what we ordered in the previous year. It was so long ago, Michael. So let's start tearing into these.
That's not a very good reflection on us, Rube.
Look, okay.
All right, let's start. Let's ignore all of that. It's a new year.
Let's get into.
We have got something I've been looking forward to for a while, actually, and that is the. I could have done that more elegantly. That is the Royal Mint 10-ounce Merlin. And you can say whatever you like, and I say it frequently, the 10-ounce is still the best size to go for because it gives you a big enough planchet to start drawing that detail of the design out. Yes, we all love the 1-ounce coin, and absolutely the 1-ounce coin is certainly more in our budget than a 10-ounce coin is. But the things they can do with this 10-ounce, it's a beautiful design. You've got Merlin there in the traditional wizard pose with his staff out the front, but you can start to see even down to the ripples in his cloak there. The design on the cuff starts to come out. The rippling in his beard as the wind's blowing or whatever's going on there. You've got the detail in the background, the clouds or the pimpling, all that sort of thing built into a planchet that you can, or a size that you can actually start seeing that detail in. So I think it's a great design. It's actually a really nice coin, but it's in that really good size. And the 10-ounce, it's kind of that mix. Yes, it's a little bit dearer, but it's not as dear as the kilo coin would be. So it's kind of that happy medium between going for a small one and not having to pay a fortune for a large one. Over on the other side, we have King Charles III himself. With a value of £10.
Gonna jump in and say it, Michael. If you're interested in one of these, I would suggest acting fairly soon because the 10 ounces have been a very popular size, pretty much across the board. Not just from Royal Mint, but we've had other ones come through from the likes of Perth and other places, and definitely seems to be the sought after size at the moment. I think because of what you said, it's that little bit bigger than the 1 ounce. You get to appreciate a little bit more. Often a smaller mintage on some of those, and also you're not having to spend as much as a kilo, as you pointed out.
And it's a bit more along the lines of and I use this term really loosely, so don't bat me out completely for it, but that kind of hero coin. It's kind of that, I can make a statement with this one and then have my smaller ones around it.
Yep.
If I'm going for a display or anything along those sort of lines. So yeah, it's a really good one, a good size. Now, we might have to cut and paste a little bit here because I really don't know what I'm opening with some of these boxes, so we might be duplicating, but we'll have a quick look, see what else we've got.
All right, we've got another box there, the iconic black Royal Mint Monster box.
I trash your office, don't I, mate?
Their logo on the top, I kind of clean it out after one unboxing and then we end up doing another one.
Just what you need, some rabbit coming in, trashing your office, and then just walking out and leaving you to clean it. All right, so similar deal again. We've got the 10-ounce, but this is for the Britannia.
Very nice.
This is always incredibly popular, the 10-ounce Britannia. So you can see there the very stereotypical Britannia design there. And I love, again, that detail that comes out. The Union Jack really stands out on the shield, the trident that she's holding, the helmet and all those types of things. Yes, they're all there on the 1 ounce, but it makes more of a statement on the 10 ounce and it more pops out. You've also got those security details that you get out of, and I probably should open one of these rather than leaving it behind the plastic there. But you get those security details popping out, so you can see the trident there. Amongst many other things that they build into them. So beautiful design, great size again, and King Charles III on the obverse. So again, another one that I would grab slightly sooner than later because they're a little difficult to get in sometimes, and we have brought them in. We've brought in a chunk of them, but they won't last a heck of a long time either. Alrighty, so I've selectively picked this one because I'm pretty sure this one's different by the weights.
It's a good thing to go off. That's it. The heavier weights actually typically means a smaller coin because they pack more into them.
Yeah, that's right. And it's certainly a heavier weight. They really do trash your office, mate.
That's what it's for. This is the house of unboxings, Michael. This is where the magic happens. Hey, we've just got the bare tubes hiding in there.
Yeah,
Where's our monster box?
it's a bit different, but that's okay. Whoa,
Whoa,
something else in there. We'll have a look at that in a second.
The yellow ones. That's where we need to insert our standard comments about making sure we go through all that rubbish.
Yeah, that's right.
Because those yellow tubes are typically the yellow or platinum stuff inside.
Alrighty, so here we have.
There we go.
All right, the detail on there. So it's Beowulf and I'm probably mispronouncing that, but Beowulf and Grendel's mother.
There we
So
go.
I love this. We're doing the whole family.
Well, that's it. This is the second in the series.
That's
So
right. So the third one we go right out on the family tree, and it's Beowulf's mother's aunt's goldfish.
Yeah,
So
that's the one.
it's right out. No, I'm kidding. So it is the second in the series, and it's again this is another one, and I'm not trying to labour on this, that I'd like to see because of the amount of detail in the design. I'd actually like to see this on a 10 ounce just to.
It
try and get the design out
seems
there.
consistent with the series though, because I remember that being my thought with the Beowulf and Grendel, the first one that we had in the series, and it being a very kind of detail packed design, and it looks like they've continued that all throughout. So yeah, you've got a Beowulf attacking Grendel's mother there, a bit of a vicious beast in the background.
Oh, there are so many mother-in-law comments I can make right now.
And yeah, like I said before, a tremendous amount of detail packed into there.
Yeah, beautiful coin, heaps of detail, and then again over the page we've got King Charles, and only a £2 face value on this one.
There we go. I think we need to move on to those peeking out yellow tubes hiding in there.
Yeah, I've got to make sure that they're all the same thing before I commit to them. Yep.
Alrighty, let's take a look.
So I love these. This is actually one of my favourite platinums. So this is just a very, very simple platinum Britannia. So beautiful coin. Again, the standard Britannia design. There's nothing drastically unusual about it other than it is the platinum there. So you've got your 395 platinum written around the outside. And the standard Britannia design with the security features. And then again, over the page, we've got King Charles III. So that is the 2025 Britannia in platinum.
Well, that's the thing. It's good to be getting some of these staples through in the 2025, and that's why we're hitting some of them, just because. Into a new year, and so we've got to update some of the classics.
Now, we've got one more odd-shaped box in there that we will open, just to make sure
We've
not hiding
covered
anything.
everything, we think.
Yeah. I think this must be something different, I think.
It must be, I think.
It must be, I think.
I guarantee it 50% of the time.
I'm definitely certain that I think it's something different.
Alrighty, what do we got?
We have some gold. Beowulf and Grendel's mother. So again, that beautiful design, and it is. It's an incredible design. The detail in it is unbelievable, and it always looks better in gold. Doesn't matter what it is; it always looks better in gold.
Yeah, no, I tend to agree on this one.
And then King Charles on the obverse. I was going to say the reverse then. So they are now in stock as well, and I believe, and I'll just have a quick sneak into these to make sure that they are platinum, like I think they are. Yes, they are. I believe that is the unboxing.
Good
so
stuff.
These are available online as you're watching this, assuming we haven't sold out already. So the 10 ounce Britannia in silver, the 1 ounce platinum Britannia is in stock right now. The 10 ounce Merlin and the 1 ounce Beowulf and Grendel's mother in in silver and in gold, and they are number 2 in the series of 3. Grab them while you can.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.